What's going on, Island Hoppers? Today we're coming to you from the beautiful coastal village of Tropea in southern Italy. This Byzantine village is known around the world for its buildings built on the cliffs overlooking the Titherian Sea, the beautiful deep blue water. The alleyways and the architecture in the town are just as quaint and amazing as the views overlooking the ocean. Now drop a comment below letting us know where in the world you're tuning in from. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual tour of Tropea in Calabria, Italia.
Restaurantes. Look at this grotto. Oh, it's cold. Chilly, chilly, chilly.
Thank you for watching this episode of Tropea, Italy. Please do like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.